Hello! In this tutorial we will create vintage effects by using adjustment layers, filters and free textures. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Let's start by opening the image and then right-click, Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl L to open the levels adjustments and move the output levels to 20. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery, Grain, set the intensity to 60 and contrast to 75. Go to Filter Gallery again and select Torn Edges. Set the image balance to 24, smoothness to 14, and contrast to 9. And for the last filter, we will use black and white. Go to Image, Adjustments, or just press Alt-Shift-Ctrl-B. Now let's adjust the smart filters. Double-click on the little icon near the second filter and change the blend mode of the filter to Color Dodge. After that, change the opacity of the black and white filter to 50. Go to Layer, New Fill Layer, Color Fill, and use the color code which you can see on the screen. Change the blending mode of the layer to Multiply. Place paper texture above all the layers. And change its blending mode to Soft Light. Place the dust texture and change its blending mode to Screen or Lighten. And finally, let's go to Layer, New Adjustments Layer, Brightness Contrast, and set the brightness to 25 and contrast to -25. Here's our final result. We have created a retro photo effect in Photoshop. If you are looking for an easy way to create retro photo effects, take a look at Vintage Album Photo Effects. This product allows you to transform your images into stunning vintage covers with just a few simple clicks. With a variety of different effects and textures to choose from, you can experiment with different styles and create unique designs. Thank you for watching and don't forget to check our channel for more useful content.